Good morning, student. Welcome in Standard 8 and subject is General Science. In 2020 to 2021, the syllabus is reduces of General Science. Which the topic has been reduced in this science? In chapter number 12, find out no reduce the portion in chapter number 12. Name of the chapter 12 is that introduction of acid and base. No reduce म्हणजे कोणताही पोर्शन या ठिकाणी कमी करण्यात आलेलं नाही आहे. बट इन चॅप्टर नंबर 13 केमिकल चेंजेस अँड केमिकल बॉन्ड्स. इन दिस चॅप्टर reduce portion is that can you recall. Can you recall is totally reduced. 1, 2, 3 question on a page number 89. After all, and also reduce the portion on page number 94. Lose your brain power. There is one covalent bonds between component atoms H and Cl of molecule HCl. Use this information of represent formation of HCl molecules from H and Cl atom diagrammatically in this year reduce. But after that 2021 and afterward is continue. Now chapter number 14 measurement of effects of heat. Reduce portion is can you recall. There are 3 questions. Which sources do we get heat from? Second, how is heat transferred? Third, which effect of heat do you know? On page number 59. Then page number 96. Try this. Take 3 similar vessels. Let us call them A, B and C. This portion is totally reduced for all medium like Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, English. Okay. Again recall. Can you recall what are potential and kinetic energy? This topic is also reduced. Next point is that in chapter number 15 name of the chapter is sound and page number is 104. Reduce portion is here. Use of your brain power is totally cancelled. Reduce. Then again always remember 2 astronomer. This total box is reduced on page number 105. Then page number 106 reduce portion is use of ICT. This total box is reduced. Do you know also reduce. What are the frequency of muscular notes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ini, in, madhya, saptak. Okay. On page number 107 observe and discuss. This was is totally reduced. Then try this is also reduced. Marking on this. Again page number 110 here reduce portion of chapter number 16 reflection of light. This total up to the reflection of light, that is try this is also reduced. Then try this material is also reduced. म्हणजे कमी करण्यात आलेला भाग जो ह्या ठिकाणी दाखवतोय आणि तो फुली त्या ठिकाणी मारलेली आहे. Then Page number 116. Here, chapter number 17, man-made material. First, can you tell? Make a list of 20 different man-made materials present in your home, school and places around and discuss. This topic is reduced. Again, below this topic also reduced. Here, then page number 117. Totally box. Do you know plastic is used in healthcare sector? Example, syringes. This total box is reduced. Again, page number 118. Reduced portion is make a list and discuss. Make a list of items in your house. Those can be made up degradable materials instead of plastic, where you can use. Discuss this in your classroom. Page number 119. Internet, my friend, totally reduced. This in this box. Again, page number 120. Collect information to prevent the degradation due to sunlight. Some materials are stored in which type of bottle? Second, which types of glass is used in vehicles? Do you avoid injury in accident? हा भाग या ठिकाणी पूर्णपणे कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. मग माध्यम कोणतं असो, मराठी असो, हिंदी असो, इंग्रजी असो, त्यानंतर उर्दू, गुजराती, तेलुगू यामध्ये हा सिलेबस कमी करण्यात आलेला आहे. फक्त हा 2020-2021 पुरता मर्यादित आहे. त्यानंतर हा तुमचा कंटिन्युएशन भाग राहणारच आहे. देन इकोसिस्टीम, पेज नंबर 122. Can you recall and classify these two ecosystem? Reduce the portion. Next point, page number 124. Collect information. What are the possible threats to grassland? Secondly, why do you Asian cliff become extinct in last century? Third, observe Asian cheetah on internet. Describe it. Totally reduce here. Then page number 125. This portion is reduced. Do you know about 150 years ago, Dudhwa forest was the habitat for single horn rhino, but in 20th century this animal became extinct due to unrelenting hunting. On 1 April 1984, this rhino was restored there. They were buried in captivity and then released in their habitat. This 20 square kilometer grassland and forest were around your water sources were available were selected. Two observatories were established. These effects are successfully. Then again reduce here. National park. Complete the table. Page number 126. Do you know this table is totally reduced? And life cycle of star. Do you know? Page number 130. Reduce this portion. Okay, and thank you.